Good morning, Kern County. Taking a look at our full forecast here on Friday, and today is the day we've been talking about all week in terms of that heat we've been tracking through this week building in. For today and tomorrow, heat advisory for the valley neighborhoods and the Kern River Valley as strong summer-like weather pattern really takes hold. This is the weather pattern we're expecting for later on this afternoon. Strong ridge of high pressure. That's that really warm summer-like heat that's building in, and we have been keeping a very close eye on this second system down south, that low pressure system through the day and through the weekend. As we step through the forecast, this system has the chance to bring some moisture mainly into Southern California and parts of Central California. What that means for us is we could see a couple of very minor rain chances as we get through the weekend. I'll show you Futurecast in just a moment. Let's begin with the temperatures though. Right now, not a bad start to the morning here, mainly 40s, 50s in our mountain communities, 60s and 70s for the rest of Kern County, and that summer heat is going to build in through the day today. By the time we get to around lunchtime, we're already right at 90 degrees here in Bakersfield, so warming up rather quickly into the afternoon. Temperatures getting into triple-digit range by this afternoon. We just have full sun all day. It's clear skies. Make sure you're staying hydrated today. Put on some sunscreen if you're going to be walking outside at all, because that sun is going to feel quite strong into the afternoon. Here are high temperatures for the rest of Kern County for later on this afternoon. Widespread triple-digit heat building in for most of our neighborhoods. Even Lake Isabella and Kernville right at 100 into the afternoon today. Mountain communities nearing 90 degrees near Tehachapi, and some strong heat over in the desert neighborhoods, 105 over in China Lake. Into the day tomorrow, that heat remains in for Saturday. So for your weekend, it is going to be quite hot here in Bakersfield and for most of our neighborhoods as well. That summer-like heat does not move out until we get to next week. 105 expected in Bakersfield on Saturday, getting close to triple digits still for Lake Isabella and Kernville, and relatively similar temperatures over in the mountain communities from this system into the day on Saturday. Now here's a check of that Futurecast. Like I mentioned, that little low pressure system spinning down south, that's actually going to bring some tropical moisture into California, and most of the rain chances, as you can see, into the day on Saturday will be south of us here in Kern County. We could see the minor chance of a couple of passing showers or thunderstorms pushing into Kern County into the day on Sunday. So we do have a very minor rain chance for both Saturday and Sunday as that little low pressure system is just spinning its way out of our region. So here's a check of your extended forecast. Like you saw, a little bit of a rain chance as we get into the weekend. Sunday still 99, so if we do nudge up into 100 degrees, that will be our first heat wave of the season. Also likely to feel a bit warmer as we have that moisture moving in. It's going to be a bit more humid on Sunday, so those temperatures could feel a bit warmer than what our typical dry heat is feeling like. Here's a check of the other neighborhoods we are expecting. Still warm next week, but a slight minor cool down expected by the time we get to Monday and Tuesday. Veronica.